Are your website articles getting less traffic from discovery in 2026, or are you planning to grow your content with SEO this year? Then this update is very important for you. Hi, I am Sheikh Monirul Hasan, digital marketing consultant. In this video, I will explain the Google algorithm core update 2026 for discovery in very simple words. This update is released by Google and it mainly affects Google discovery traffic. What is this update about? This is not a normal search ranking update. It only improves how articles are shown inside Discover. What has changed? Google will now show more content from website in the user's country. This is great news for local publishers and local businesses. Google will reduce sensational heading and misleading titles. Low-value stories will also be reduced. Less clickbait. If your content is only written to get clicks, it may drop. Google will show in-depth content and original content. It will also show timely content from websites with real expertise. Google checks expertise topic by topic. This means your whole website does not need to be expert in everything. If one section of your site is strong and useful, then section can still perform well in discovery. Which topic is your website really strong at? Why this matters for you? If you depend on blog traffic or media traffic, this updates matters to you. It also affects content marketing and brand visibility. Some websites will grow, some will drop, many may see no chance. How to win after this update? Focus on these 4 simple actions. Write original content and go deeper on your main topics. Avoid clickbait headings and build career topic sections on your site. That's it. For official guidelines, always follow Google Search Center. If you want more simple and practical SEO updates like this, follow this page and the YouTube channel and share this video with your team. This is the real meaning of the Google algorithm core update 2026 for discovery.